Hey, what's up everyone? Yash here from Wealth Wasters, your go-to for teen finance that actually makes sense. Picture this, you're scrolling Insta Reels, grabbing a cup of coffee, and boom, your phone app just saved $5 from that purchase and invested it for you. No effort required. That's the power of manager apps that uses AI. If you are a teen, tired of your allowance disappearing, or want to start investing without the confusion, then this video is your ultimate guide. We will cover what are AI Money Manager apps, the top 7 apps with real teen reviews, pros and cons, step by step setup guide, and even a challenge to try. So stick around till the end of the video for a bonus hack that could double your savings. Hit like if you are ready to level up, and let's dive in. So, first of all, we will understand what are basically AI Money Manager apps. So, basics first. AI Money Manager apps are like having a super smart financial advisor in your pocket. They use machine learning, fancy AI tech to analyze your spending income from jobs or allowances and even predict future expenses. How? They link securely to your bank account via Plaid or open banking in the UK, categorize every transaction, and give insights like you are overspending or fast food by 20%. Then they automate savings or investments. For teens, this is gold because we hate boring spreadsheets. These apps gamify thinking, streaks, badges, and progress bars. Security, these apps uses 256-bit encryption, same as banks, so no worries there. Here are my top 7 AI apps for teens. Number 1, we are all familiar with it, Plum. Auto saves rainy day pots based on your habits. Example, spend less on weekends and save £10 and then it invests it in stocks and funds. Basic version is free. For premium you have to pay £3 per month. Number 2, Chip. Roundup purchases. Example, $2.70 coffee goes on $3 and it invests automatically $3. AI suggests investments post also. This app is free, no fees on savings. Number 3, Acorns. Spare change investment into ETFs. Sign up bonus is $5 and $9 to $3 are monthly tiers. Number 4, Cleo. Roast your bad habits and autosaves. Basic version is free while the premium offers at $6 per month. Emma. Spot bank fees, budget categories, and forecast cash flow. Free tier snacks and free tier rocks for starters. Qapital. If then rules like skip Uber. Save 5% invest via Amcom integrates. Monthly charges are $3. Great for goal settlers like college funds. And at last, Digit. Predict safe savings accounts weekly. US focused. Monthly charges are $5. Handles irregular teen income perfectly. So now let us understand how AI powers savings and investing. See, on savings side, AI spots patterns, spend £50 per month on deliveries. Suggest cooking hacks and auto transfers £20 to savings. For investing smarts, fractional shares means $5 buys you a part of the Apple stock at 7% average return. $10 per week compounds to $28,000 in 20 years. A little example. My friend Sarah uses Plum and has saved £300 last year despite inflation. Apps also teach why did my investment drop by 2%. Market dip held steady. Here are some risks. Diversify and remember, past performance is not future proof. So now let us discuss some pros and cons for AI Money Manager saving apps. Let's start with pros. Automation. No willpower needed. Number 2, personalized nudges. Number 3, low minimums. And number 4, educational dashboards build skills. Now coming to cons, fees. 1 to 5% of savings account. Number 2, privacy. Use 2FA. Number 3, over reliance. You need to still learn basics manually. A small pitfall, linking impulse debit cards or ignoring fees. Now, let us understand the step-by-step setup and weekly routine. Number 1, Pick your favorite app. Second, download and verify ID. Number third, link account. Number fourth, set goals. Number fifth, customize rules. Number six, weekly check. 5 minutes reviewing insights. And number seven, adjust and celebrate wins. A bonus hack. Link to high-yielding saving accounts for turbocharged growth. At last, AI apps are not just tools, they are your teen finance superpower for 2026 and beyond. Love this? Smash like and subscribe for more videos and do not forget to share it with your friends.